You feel exhausted, but your muscles aren't tired. Your mind is tired. Everything is at your fingertips. Endless scrolling, endless entertainment, endless noise. And yet, something inside you has gone dark. This is not a psychological flaw. This is a biological short circuit. Your brain's reward center has been flooded with so much cheap dopamine that your receptors have physically shut down to protect themselves. You are overstimulated, yet starving for real joy. Full, but empty. Connected, but disconnected. But what happens if you pull the plug? If you stop the machine and sit alone with yourself? I am Dr. Vitality. I will be with you on this journey. Breathe in, settle in. Let us observe the 30-day mind reset together. Days 1 to 3. Withdrawal. You turn off the screens. You stop the endless stream of music. And suddenly, the silence feels deafening. Your brain sounds the alarm. Wait, something is missing. Something is wrong. It begs for a quick hit of stimulation. You feel phantom vibrations in your pocket, a phone that isn't there, a notification that doesn't exist. You feel bored, irritable, restless, because your mind is not used to emptiness. You want to reach for something, anything. But understand this: boredom is not your enemy. Boredom is the waiting room for cellular healing. You must sit in the darkness and let the storm pass. It will pass. I promise. Days 4 to 10. The biological rebuild. The flood of cheap, artificial dopamine has finally stopped. Deep within your neural pathways, in the darkness, a miracle begins. Your dopamine receptors, previously burned out and shut down, are beginning to open again. They are upregulating. Imagine this. Doors that have been closed for years are opening one by one. The chaotic, tangled wires in your mind are slowly unknotting. The thick blanket over your mind is slowly lifting. That constant, low-level anxiety that lived in your chest is dissolving into the silence. Like salt in water, something is changing. You can't quite see it yet, but you feel it. Days 11 to 20. The return of color. As your receptors heal, something beautiful happens. You begin to feel the big emotions in small things again. A glass of cold water tastes incredibly sharp. The sound of the wind outside your window feels profound. Making eye contact with a friend feels meaningful. Your attention span once could only last 15 seconds. Now it is stretching, expanding. You can sit with a single thought for an hour without the constant urge to escape into something else. You are regaining control of your own consciousness, and this feels magnificent. Day 30. The flow state. Now look at your mind. That frantic neon chaos is gone. In its place, a single, powerful, unbroken beam of pure focus. You are no longer a slave to every notification, every impulse, every artificial craving. You are grounded. You are present. You are free. You are dangerous in your clarity. The reset is complete. 30 days ago, you did not own your attention, your thoughts, your impulses, your time. Algorithms were deciding for you. Now, you open your eyes, and finally, you are the master of your own mind. This was not a detox. This was a reclamation. You took back what was yours. I am Dr. Vitality, and every time you choose silence, I will be with you. Thank you for stepping into this journey. Now rest. Silence is healing you, because silence is not emptiness. It is fullness.